Hi there, I'm back. This is Elle, and you're tuned in again to Arriving Where. Right now, I'm using my microphone. I first recorded earlier without this new microphone, and I was just using the internal speakers and internal microphone of my unit. And so, as I was telling you, okay, so I was just using the internal microphone and speakers of my computer. So in the past, I would use the headsets from my cell phones or headsets that I would purchase from some shops. I don't really mind. Normally, I would just want speakers. I don't want them in my ears. But since I had to go back online and with multiple participants in every meeting, sometimes they don't hear me very well, and so I do this. I lean closer or speak loudly, and it really hurts my throat. So if I'm gonna do this for a long time, I have to take care of my throat. In the first video earlier, I recorded a video earlier where I was telling you about the microphone problem. But earlier I did not have the microphone. This time I am using it. So it's like this. Like this. So this is the mount, and that's the microphone. I should do it like this, right? Okay. Keep on moving it around. I don't know if it's picking up better than the internal microphone. I'm hoping, because I used it in the class earlier, and when I asked kids, can you hear me? And then they said yes. And I could not hear myself. So I don't really know. I'm gonna hear it later after this, and hopefully it's better. This is the video I took before using the BOYA BY-MM1 condenser, the mini cutting, and let's listen to it. So, I'm ready now. Yes. Okay, hi everyone. This is Elle, and listening to Arriving Where. Yes, I'm on a hotel. Listening to this definitely is so much better now that I have the BOYA. It's definitely a new thing. And I think it's really going to help with the way I talk to my students or to any co-workers I talk to online. I don't need to speak so much louder. I can speak in a lower voice right now, and it's still going to be very clear for them. I guess it's a goodbye. Now let me try how much noise it can pick up, at least the ones that I'm always creating while working. Should just be my mouse, right? Okay, so let me let you hear lots of clicks this time. Okay, so I kept on clicking and clicking and clicking it while I was on class earlier. So I'm really hoping that it wasn't picking up that much noise. It can get really noisy. Okay. Because they said, if the normal microphone, the internal microphone and the headset would pick up my voice, what much more if it's a condenser microphone? Even though it's mid-range, this was recommended by people for YouTubers, streamers, gamers. They recommended it for something that's good and isn't expensive. Anyway, right now I am using this dead cat. Still a sad name for me. Why would you call it a dead cat? Anyway, so I'm using this one, And this time I'm talking to you. I want to know later if this sounds better with it. Because I'm indoors, not a lot of noise, although I'm very close to the air conditioning unit right here. So now I'm gonna click a lot. Like how noisy that can be. So the place of the BOYA microphone is still right next to me, right in front of me, next to my computer, but also very near the mouse. Okay, so that's it. I'm just testing it. That's just the noise that would normally be around me. That's just the kind of noise that I should be producing while in class if I'm using this room. Doesn't get very noisy here because there's no one here, it's just me. Okay, so let's test out like that. Okay, so I was just testing the BOYA MM1 model with the dead cat. So let's see. I would know later which one I would prefer. Okay, but I'm definitely expecting an improvement with the way my voice is picked up, and that this time I don't have to speak as loudly as I've had the last few days. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for tuning in to Arriving Where.